Hello, my name is Jonathan Cohen and I'm from SunNation Solar Systems. If you're like most people, when you get your PSEG electric bill in the mail, you take a look at the amount that's due, groan with frustration a little bit, and pay it. But you may or may not even notice the sections that tell you how much electricity you used and how much you're being charged for that electricity. Here at SunNation, we pride ourselves on being able to provide families like yours with relief from the costs of this electric bill. But in order to do that, and in order to understand the benefits, you need to understand what you're paying now. So let's have a look. In the upper left-hand corner, you'll see the meter readings that tell you the amount of electricity that you used in your home during the last billing cycle. And that information is measured in kilowatt hours, which is a unit of measurement for electricity. Immediately below that, you see details of your current energy charges. And these charges contain both fixed costs and variable costs. Fixed costs are costs that even if you were 100% solar powered, those charges aren't going away. You're still going to pay that fee. And variable costs are the ones that, by going solar with SunNation, can be reduced or eliminated entirely from your electric bill. You see the section for delivery and system charges. The first cost is the basic service charge, and that is the only fixed cost on your bill. Even if you're 100% solar and not using electricity from PSEG, you're still going to pay 40 cents per day to be connected to the grid and have a PSEG meter. Immediately below that are the rest of your delivery charges, and they're broken out into peak and off-peak consumption. You pay an average of about 7 cents per kilowatt hour for those charges. Below that, you'll see you're going to pay for that same electricity again in a power supply charge. And PSEG says that this charge helps offset the cost for them purchasing and/or producing electricity that's delivered to Long Islanders. This charge is approximately 9 cents per kilowatt hour and represents about half of your electric bill. And then below that, you'll see taxes and other charges that include state and local taxes, more fees to PSEG, and interestingly, a payment for the old Shoreham nuclear power plant that Long Islanders are still paying for after 20 years. All of this together calculates the total charges at the bottom of your bill. If you take those total charges at the bottom and you divide them by the number of kilowatt hours used, you're going to find that you're paying between 21 and 22 cents per kilowatt hour for every kilowatt hour that you use from PSEG. Now that you understand what your electric bill looks like now, let's have a look at what your electric bill can be if you go solar with SunNation. As you can see, nearly all of the variable charges have been eliminated. And now in that upper left-hand corner, they've been replaced by something called an energy credit bank. The energy credit bank, when you go solar, works the way that rollover minutes used to work on our cell phones. So when your solar panels produce more electricity than you used, that excess energy is getting pushed out onto PSEG's electrical grid, and they're storing it for you in this credit bank to use later on. So at night when the sun goes down, or on a cloudy day, or a day where there's a lot of snow, even if you're using electricity from PSEG, you're using those credits first. So PSEG won't be charging you for electricity. So as you can see, as we move down, the only thing left in the delivery and systems charges is that basic service charge, the 40 cents per day that's a fixed cost. And then taxes and other charges only on that delivery and service charge. So a bill that used to be substantially higher is now only $13 a month. That's what SunNation can do for you. That's why it's important to go solar. If you want to learn more, you can go to our website at www.sunnation.com or give us a call at 631-750-9454. Thank you.